today we're going to solve for the surface area of a pyramid. There is no formula, so it's of the neck, okay, for each face of the solid. A pyramid has a unique measurement called lateral height. It measures the height of the triangular face. That's important. Okay, lateral height, you're also going to see the word slant height more often. Lateral height and slant height are the exact same thing. All right, so our very first solid, it says label various parts of each pyramid below, face, faces, and lateral height. Then we're going to name the shape. So if we're looking at our first one, for a pyramid, the base is opposite of your point, right? Okay, so this is our base. Are we good with that? Our lateral height or slant height, notice it measures the height of the triangular face. It is on the face. Okay, so this right here is your lateral height, right here, or your slant height, okay? It is not the height of the pyramid, okay? The height of the pyramid is from, if you were to stick a pencil through the top right here, okay, it would go from the top to the center of your base. That's the height of your pyramid. Okay, that is not what we use for surface area. Okay, notice that that's inside your pyramid. Okay, so we would use that for volume. Okay, but since we're finding surface area, our lateral height measures the actual face. So it's on the face. So we're good with that? Okay, so if you see an extra measurement that has the height of the pyramid right here, do not use it for surface area. Are we good? Okay, so that's height of the pyramid, and we're going to say that for volume. Okay? All right, and then of course the faces. There are 4 faces that come from your base. And then what shape is this? What kind of pyramid? First name. Good. It's a rectangular base. So it's a rectangular pyramid. All right, and then our next one, our base is here. This is a net. All right, and then where would your slant height be? Remember, it measures the height of the triangular face. So it's any one of, that's your slant height right here. Are we good? Here's your slant height. And what shape is this? It's another rectangular pyramid, and we're not sure if our base is a square or not. So we'll just go with rectangular pyramid. All right, and then next we have a solid. So your base is here at the bottom. Okay, and then notice that your slant height, that it's marked on the face. Here's your slant height. And what's the name of this solid? Good. The base is a triangle, so it is a triangular pyramid. We have a net. The base is here. And our slant height is the height of the base. And then what shape is this? Yeah. Your base is a triangle, so it is a triangular pyramid. right, what shapes make up the pyramids? Yeah, we see triangles, squares, rectangles, triangles. What do you notice? Okay, so we see the base in each of our shapes, right? What faces are around your bases? They're all triangles. Are we good? Awesome. All right. The base of each pyramid determines how many triangular shapes will be included. So if it's a rectangle has how many sides? Four. There would be 4 triangles, right? And if it's a triangular base, it has how many sides? 3, so there'll be 3 triangles, right? All right, so we are going to find the total surface area of this pyramid. So this is our base, and it's a square, right? So our formula is side squared. So 7 squared is 49 millimeters squared. Are we good with that for our base? All right, so that means each triangle, they're congruent, right? Because they all have the same base of 7, and the slant height is what? Good, this is your slant height right here. So we start off with our formula for a triangle, base times height divided by 2, and our base is 7. Our slant height is 6. Divide that by 2, and what do you get? 21. So that means all triangles are 21 in your calculator. You can add them all up, or you're welcome to do 21 times 4 bases, and then add that to your base, 49. What do you get? Say that again. 133, right? Did y'all get that? Yeah. Okay. So 133, what? What are our units? Good. Millimeters squared. Are we good with that? All right. Okay, turn it. And our first example says lateral surface area. What can we recall about lateral surface area? Correct. Okay. So lateral, they want all the sides except the base. Do not include the base. So let's do number 2 together. We have the brick pyramid is being painted gold. It has a lateral height of 12 meters. That's 12 meters. How many square meters will be covered? Okay, and that's obviously the lateral height, right? Because you can't paint the bottom of your pyramid because it's on the ground, right? All right, so we have base times height divided by 2 because it's a triangle. We're going to substitute our numbers in. 8.5 times 12 divided by 2. What do y'all get? 8.5 times 6 is 8.5 times 6? Yeah, good. Okay, that's for one triangle. How many lateral faces are there? Good. 1 times 4 lateral faces is 204 what? You got it. That's how much paint. Or that's the area that will be covered by paint. Are we good with that? Alright, so with your table, if you could complete numbers 3 and 4, and then we'll check
Good. Square pyramid. Area of the base is 36. And then the lateral faces are triangles. Pause right there. What'd you use for the height of your triangle? Do you need 5? No, the formula's fine. There's an eraser right there. Formula's perfect. Good. The height of the triangle is 4. That is your slant height. Good. So your lateral surface area is 48 plus your base of 36. Gives you a total surface area of, make sure you include your units, good, 84 feet square. Let's give them one big clap. 1, 2, 3. Volunteer for number 4. Aiden. All of the lateral faces and the base are congruent. What is the lateral surface area of the pyramid below? Good. 360 centimeters squared. One big clap. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So if you look at the next page in your notes, that's your homework. Then if you turn it, it is blank. So the back of your packet's blank. This is where your scavenger hunt activity is going to do, where you're going to complete it here. Okay, you're more than welcome to use a reference material to help you complete the 10 problems. So where you begin, you will end once you're finished. You already have your homework. But then also make sure you bring your box for Monday.